Hello everyone. So I've just walked into Dollar Tree and I noticed that they're fully stocked right now with the plaid plates, and I love these because there's nothing in the middle. There's no sentiment, unlike the bowls and the small dessert plates. So if you're looking, they do have them, and I'm so happy to be able to share them with you. How pretty are these? They also have the matching mugs, and the mugs all have sentiments on them. They have these little serving trays, however, they're not ceramic. Everything else is ceramic and glass. And always these are not in a good spot. I'll fix them in a minute. So they have the snowflake printed plates. They'll have the hollies printed. Is this new this year? I feel like this is different than the ones we've seen in previous years. And the matching wine glasses. These are so pretty, and I love the dessert plates because there's no words on it. It's just simple. And they have these glasses with the little prints. So it's a red truck, the gnome. The berries, if you need to add them to a wreath. They have these really nice picks. A few colors here. I really like the silver. And they have the pink or tulle, these rolls of tulle. So yeah, they have the picks that you can add to wreaths, your tree, just different things. If you're needing wired, edged ribbon, they have a nice selection. They have the little carpets back this year. These are nice if you layer them, so they might be too small for your front door. You can just layer something larger underneath and then put this on top and it will look perfect. Just to give you an idea on how to make it look a little bigger, because I do find that the cuts are kind of small. And a lot of wonderful tin options if you're making homemade goodies, or even if you're buying store-bought goodies. No judgment here. And putting them in a tin to gift. They have a lot of placemats that you can make pillows with. Sometimes I get distracted, so I went straight to the placemats. But look at these tins. Aren't they beautiful? With the side panel, the little trees are really nice. These ones here are cute because they match the front of this one with the gnomes, and on the side, the plaid. There's a plaid with the wood, pretend faux wood at the front. We have some more cartoonish looking ones. Anyways, great variety here. I really like the plaid and the trees. The mini faux trees are going to sell fast. They have all these different little pom-poms as well. Oh, more placemats. These are fabric. They're really nice and thick. Again, you can make beautiful DIY pillows with them. Outdoor, indoor ones. And I think there's 3 different prints. Again, the mini trees, they're in 2 sections of the store. See if there's anything here that catches my eye for you guys. The picks are worth it because the little pieces alone, like sometimes you'll find these are pricey if you go elsewhere. Could add up pretty fast. Lots of felt, the wood, little truck, gingerbread man. Stickers. Nothing too new. I think they're all the same repeat as last year. I was hoping they would have some new ones. Decorative mesh. If you're doing the wreaths again, these will come in handy. I'm just not sure cost-wise, or is it cost-effective? And then they have some gem ribbon. Little cutouts, snowflakes, and the trees, and you can attach them to twine and make a really pretty garland out of them. Paint them, stain them. These look cute on top. If you do a DIY advent calendar, you can take the pieces from here and stage something along the top. That's pretty. What have you used these tiny little wood pieces for? I know you can use them in paper crafting as layers. Oh, look, the fabric is hiding up top. So excited. I thought these were going to be cotton, but they aren't. They're the microfiber type. Anyways, they do have 100% cotton tea towels this year, so be on the lookout for those, but those are not 100% cotton. Wow, this was fully stocked with the little trees with all the bottom peppermint, and they're all gone, like these ones. I do have to work on the DIY I had planned to do last year with some of these little plastic houses. This one is new this year. It's different than last year's version of the truck. I prefer last year's. Some really pretty floral or picks. I love this white neutral stuff. Let's see what they have here. I've shared the ornaments. I don't really see anything new from the last ornament share, but just in case you haven't seen, these are new this year, and they're really fluffy, super cute to fill in, a nice space on the tree. These are new this year, and look at the lights. The warm ones always sell super fast, so if you need a pack, grab it, because the cool ones stay kind of behind longer. Oh, look at this. These are really large. You can spray paint them, distress them, and give it more of like a metal effect. Anyways, these are new this year as well. What's this? These would be pretty to customize as well if you wanted to add a name to them. The plaid, it's very Christmassy. Has anyone used these before, and do they have a nice throw? They're pine sticks. I guess you're supposed to put them in the tree. I love how they're displayed. There's a leader, and they're all following. These are beautiful as well. And there's the fabric plaid, and then the regular trees. The frosted tipped ones, like the snow affected ones, are all sold. If you're looking for some stocking stuffers, these coloring books are always a nice option, and you can roll them up. And if you have a paper towel tube that you're finished with, you can roll them up and then wrap them and then slide them into the Christmas stocking. My mom used to do that when we were kids, and it made for like a fun gift opening almost in your stocking. I love these. I can't get them out. It's too heavy. Holiday activity. Yeah, I'm fighting with the box. They're all going to fall. Give me a second here and then I'll take them out. These ones have fun little stickers. There are board books, and it looks like it comes with music. Sticker books. Lots of Dr. Seuss goodies are here, so if you wanted to put a theme package together, you could easily on a budget. So these are new, and there's building circles, building shapes, a few options here, and they look perfect for little hands. If anyone has used them, let us know. Question for you. Do these spray bottles work well? I actually need to grab a few because I have to pour some cleaning solution into smaller bottles throughout the house. I like to have them in the bathrooms, but I hope that these spray well. There's some Vim, Wizard, cleaning liquid, toilet. No, it's not. It's not the toilet one. This one's the toilet one. Has anyone tried it? A few decorative items. These look new to me. I haven't seen them before. You could do something cute for Christmas with them. I think you can remove this with acetone and then use that as a decorative piece as well for Christmas, like an ornament. Not on a tree, but like on a side. I'd start with yes. Any ideas on how to use wall stickers? I know somebody was asking. I thought I would see what everyone says. These are new. Wow, this is so nice. It's that time of year. Sometimes you gift a nice picture and it's nice to have it framed already and wrapped. So you can come to Dollar Tree and be surprised that they have amazing frames sometimes. This is textured. It's really cool. It's cute, but it's not full enough, the jar, I don't think. Oh dear. This one's different than the one I spotted. I think I found different ones at the other Dollar Tree. They were a little bit wider. Floating candles, this is a pretty good value because you'll pay a lot more for these, even at Bouclair. Just any type of home decor store, they'll charge you so much for floating candles. Yeah, the ones I spotted before were like not this. They weren't tall like this. They were more like this shape. Lots of candles here to choose from. And they have emergency candles too, and then some incense. Just wanted to give you a heads up. I hope you enjoyed walking through Dollar Tree with me today. I will have a second part to this walkthrough as I was in this store for a very long time and hope to share all the finds with you. Until next time, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Bye for now. Autumn comes too soon.